Hello everyone, hello my beautiful people, welcome to my channel. If you just joined me, my name is Elizabeth and I am a full-time working mom of two, whereby I only see my kids on a weekend. They're staying with their grandma, but sometimes on the videos you will see my son. He is always after me and I love it so much because he just want to be with me. So today it's one of those days whereby I am going to share with you my ultimate cleaning, because I always clean thoroughly on a weekend. So it was a Sunday, so I had commitments on Saturday. I had to attend some things, so I came back around lunchtime. And for me, if I just go out in the morning and come back, I don't want to do anything. Already my energy is demoralized, my everything has changed.
Shine bright up all night, we're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes, we're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now, do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime, no we ain't stopping for the sunrise, and we don't care about the bad nights. If for a second I can feel like this, make me feel like this. We got a party for a lifetime, no we ain't stopping for the sunrise, and we don't care about the bad nights. If for a second I can feel like this, make me feel like this. Young blood made of gold, a mind you can't control. Running wild, can't come down, my head is in the clouds. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now, do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime, no we ain't stopping for the sunrise, and we don't care about the bad nights. If for a second I can feel like this, make me feel like this. We got a party for a lifetime, no we ain't stopping for the sunrise, and we don't care about the bad nights. If for a second I can feel like this, make me feel.
After doing all the dishes and putting them away in their place, I am going to wipe my cupboard. I'm using Mr. Shin multi-surface cleaner.
Like this.
Right now, I am going to clean that corner whereby I am going to shift the furniture and sweep behind it. It has been long since I swept behind that corner couch, and there was a lot of dust gathered there. So, but right now I am going to just start by removing the crumbs from the sofa.
I'll find you in my dreams. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality.
Memories die out too hard. We were traveling mountains just to find the loudest seas. We sat down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
You see the dust coming from that corner is just so disgusting. It was a lot, It's not always that when I clean, I remove around my couch like that, and my, what do you call, the cupboard and the stove. I do them as and when I feel like, and now it's due time.
I remember the ocean memories die out too hard.
Let's mop the floor and make it super clean now. I'm using Dettol, floor cleaner, bleach, and some dishwasher this time. Normally I use handy Andy, but I opted for a dishwasher. I put whatever has a foam in the water.
Just to find the loudest tears. We set our mighty fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club. I'm in a tropic club.
Right there, I am scrubbing some oil split from when I'm cooking. I don't know how it comes to go down the floor, but you can see around the stove there is some oil spit on the floor like that. So it's not a hassle to remove, because the chemicals that I'm using, I think they are strong enough to remove that oil.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you.
It was super hot and very sunny that day. So adjusting this light, especially when you're using the back camera, you don't even see when it's going dark or too bright. So I'm sorry for that. Forgive me for the darkness that has just passed. There was nothing I can do, so we move.
Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. You ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's float for now.
Guys, Isn't this couch looking lovely when it's nice, tidily up? I'm so in love with it.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow.
Guys, I love you so much, and I love you for always coming back to watch my videos. It motivates me to make more of this kind of videos. And guys, we have come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed and you are motivated to get up and clean your space. So please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do so that you can get more and more of this kind of videos. Put on that bell, and I love you so much. I will see you in the next video. Bye.